welcome to the video. Well, I'm gonna do a different thing today. I'm gonna go about different thing. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm going to go. See, I'm going to go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. You like it? So I'm gonna go about a song that written by American singer, not singer. People say singer, not singer, singer, singer. The singer can sing a song. Can you sing a song like the singer sang it? Song. Can you sing a song like a singer song it? Like how the singer sang the song? How the singer sang the song? Can you sing a song like the singer? See? So we have a very short song that had been sung by an American singer. But we're gonna see it in American, full of R. So the song is 30 Dirty Birds. You can say 30 dirty birds, but 30 dirty birds is very heavy. It's like 30 dirty birds. 30 dirty birds sitting on a curb. A curb is الفرع أو الغصن بتاع الشجر اللي ما عنده leaves اسمه curb. 30 dirty birds is 30 dirty birds أو 30 dirty birds. Like in American, 30 dirty, very dirty. So when something dirty. شوف dirty. 30 dirty birds sitting on a curb. 30 dirty birds sitting on a curb, chirping and barking and eating dirty earthworm. Along comes Harvey from 33rd and 3rd. Saw the 30 dirty bird. Saw. See? Saw. America للماضي بتاع see بيقولوا saw. Saw the 30 dirty bird sitting on a curb, chirping and barking and eating dirty earthworm. Boy, was he disturbed. Again, let's go one by one. 30 dirty birds sitting on a curb, chirping and barking and eating dirty earthworm. Along comes Harvey from 33rd and 3rd. Saw the 30 dirty birds sitting on a curb, chirping and barking and eating dirty earthworm. Boy, was he disturbed. You get it? 30 dirty birds sitting on a curb, chirping and burping and eating dirty earthworm. Earthworm. Along comes Harvey from 33rd and 3rd. Saw the 30 dirty bird. You can say saw the 30 dirty birds sitting on a curb, chirping and burping and eating dirty earthworm. Boy, was he disturbed. American, they put the 30 dirty birds. 30 dirty birds. Dirty. Very dirty. It's a dirty place. The capital city is very dirty. The capital city is very dirty. The capital city is very dirty. Don't tell me Sudanese sounds like English anymore. Thank you for watching.